Hello, Sensata Product University trainee. Welcome to our NPI 101 series. In this series, we will walk you through our new draw wire encoder, the CD series. This session will focus on the CD series, which was released in April of 2019. In this training, we will introduce the CD series and walk you through the trends that led to its development and how it helps customers solve for design barriers. The CD series combines a rotary encoder with a rotating drum. The drum is round with a wire cable and is spring-loaded to self-rewind. The drum is coupled to the encoder shaft so that the wire moves out and in. The encoder rotates, producing a signal proportional to the movement. It features all the ruggedness and industrial pedigree of Sensata BEI sensors encoders for reliability and long life, but in a new draw wire package. It was built so that 1 revolution equals 1 foot of travel. This allows for typical US measurement values. Its mounting foot and encoder can be rotated in 90-degree increments, allowing for most any mounting requirement. Finally, the CD series standard model is moisture resistant by the virtue of weep holes built into the housing for drainage. Simply put, the CD series replaces the LT25, a draw wire encoder that we had to obsolete in 2018. This product is similar and is backwards compatible with LT25 installations. However, it offers an additional choice of wire termination options. It also complements the existing range of CD series metric product currently being built and sold in Europe. In addition to replacing the LT series, there are many application reasons why having a draw wire encoder is critical. Many industrial processes require a length measurement but can't afford the cost of linear scales, nor can they maintain the cleanliness required by those scales. Harsh applications don't always allow for easy installation of the sensor. By using a draw wire, the sensor can be mounted several feet away from the harsh condition, while the stainless steel wires live in the red zone. As stated before, the CD series was designed for providing a position sensor solution in applications that are either too harsh or too compact to put a traditional encoder. It also provides a lower cost solution to machinist type linear scale high length applications. Its balance of ruggedness, benefit, and cost make it an ideal sensor for many industrial applications in material moving or automation segments. Mobile boom cranes are used in construction, landscaping, demolition services, and similar activities. The crane operator needs to keep close track of the weight that they are handling, the angle of the boom, and how far the boom is extended. Without attention to these 3 factors, the boom could overload and collapse or cause the whole platform to tip over. One of the most critical parameters is the boom extension. For small booms, like the one shown in the picture, installing a draw wire assembly is a great solution. As the boom is extended or retracted, the end of the draw wire will move right along with it, and the operator can tell much more that the boom has been extended. Together with the weight and the angle, using other measuring devices, the operator can stay completely in the safe zone. The CD series wins in the applications that involve booms because of its reliability, ruggedness, and flexibility in installation. Certain industrial processes require the precision sawing of raw materials to standard lengths. Whether it's wood, metal, or plastic, if it needs to be uniform, then an automated feed mechanism makes sense. As an example, a metal rod is cut into uniform circular sections. The feed mechanism uses a draw wire encoder set up so that as the metal rod is fed into the blade area, the spring tension wire retracts. The controller counts the number of pulses coming out of the draw wire mechanism, and the controller uses that information to secure the rod in the right position. The draw wire encoder output is compatible with industrial counters and controllers. so it's easy to reprogram it for different length cuts. The CD series is an ideal choice for automated sawing applications because of its ability to self-retract, allowing for a more compact installation. Its capability for easy interfacing to industry standard controllers and counters, and its potential to reduce scrap through its consistent operation. Fork trucks might seem like pretty simple devices, but there are a lot of ways that they can get into trouble. Skilled operators make it look easy, but they are constantly balancing weight and load height with speed and turn radius. They also need to be an expert at positioning the forks properly, even without clear sight lines to the pallet. It takes quite a bit of experience to do the job well and efficiently. Sensata BEI sensors draw wire can help the fork truck operator do their job better. Draw wire encoders like our CD series can be used to measure the height of the forks. This helps the operator control mast height properly when picking up a load. It also gives them the right information to maintain the proper carrying height as they move around the warehouse. One of the most common fork truck accidents is a tip over. Using a draw wire encoder helps take some of the risk out of fork truck operation. Encoders allow for precise measurement of fork height, which increases safety and efficiency of the driver. A draw wire encoder, like the CD series, is compact enough to incorporate in the mast assembly where most traditional encoders could not fit. Lastly, if you want more information on the CD series and how it overcomes design barriers in industrial applications, go to Sensata.com and look in the application notes section. Thank you for your time, Sensata Product University trainee. I hope you learned a thing or two about the CD series, a draw wire encoder. If you have any questions, please reach out to your Sensata representative.